In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly switch your rows and columns in seconds right here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a set of data that you want to switch from rows to columns or columns to rows, here's how you can do it quickly. So I have this simple set of data where I want to switch my columns right here into rows. What I'm going to do is to select everything right there, then right-click and copy. Now, if you want to keep the original data, you can copy it, or if not, then you can cut it. So I'm going to transfer it right here. I'm going to right-click and select Paste Special. With the Paste Special, we have more options on the right side, and one of those would be our Transpose option. Now, what this would do would switch the position of our columns right here and turn them into rows, and the same with our data. So if we go back to Paste Special and select Transpose right here, there you have it. We have our columns turned into rows and our rows turned into columns. There you have it. Now, if we want to switch that back into this one right here, so what I'm going to do is to just select all of it, right-click and copy. Go to this space right here, right-click and select Paste Special. And we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to select Transpose within our Paste Special options. If we do that, click on Transpose, we are now back to our original data where our columns remain columns and our rows remain rows. And there you have it. So that's how you can quickly switch your rows and columns in seconds using our Paste Special option called Transpose. And if you're still looking for some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.